Okay, everybody, here's another video to help you use some of the advanced features of SENuke. So this time we're going to talk about building sub-campaigns by using the wizard. So some think that you can't do this because when you click the wizard up here and actually go through and build a wizard, it'll give you a root level campaign like these A's and B's, C's I have here. But you can never get it to build a sub-campaign. But there is a way to do that, and I'm going to show you how right now. The trick is to actually set these campaigns up manually first. So let's set up a new root campaign that's, we'll just call it root camp. And save that campaign. You can see right there, there's nothing in it. Now we want to actually create the sub-campaign name that we're going to use. So let's just say sub-camp is our sub-campaign. We want to turn this checkbox off and save it. And you see we get a little plus sign there, and there we have our sub-campaign name right there, and there's nothing in it. So now is the time you need to go into the wizard after you've done these two steps to build your campaign structure. So highlight sub-campaign, that's important. Click on wizard and start putting in your information. And so one of the trick here, the key here is that this campaign name you put in here has to be exactly what this says over here, sub-camp. So let's put that in here, sub-camp. Okay, so now I'm going to fill out some other information. It doesn't really matter what information we put in here. So I'm not going to run this campaign. I'm just trying to get all the way through the wizard so you can see that it actually will build what we're trying to do. So auto generate, click, click, click. Select a whole bunch of categories by default. Okay, so now I'm going to pause here for a second while I go through the next screen to protect my best spinner passwords, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back. So I went through the last screen where we had to validate our test or our best spinner password and put in some text in about me field and things like that. So just put a bunch of gibberish in like I was doing before to get past that screen. So now we're just gonna create a very simple campaign so you can see where it gets generated. Now what we're gonna do is take the indexer and hook it to the money site and be completely done with that. Alright, so now we're going to go on to the next screen. Here we go. And here we need to auto generate. And then I'm going to put in pause here while I put in my email settings. And also pause until we get through the next screen where I actually have to test my CAPTCHA settings when my passwords are in there to protect those. But I'll be back when I'm done with setting those up and ready to export this project. Okay, everybody, we're back. We're at this screen right here. I put in some dummy information around my password stuff here, so I won't be giving any secrets away there anytime soon. So I'm just going to check a set of schedule settings out here till like May 25th, just so we can see what happens when we generate that. So here we go. We're ready to go. I've gone through and I've built everything here with just basically dummy information to actually build this campaign. So we click next. We're ready to export it. Finish, and there we go, exporting. So we go to our root campaign, there's nothing there. We go to our sub campaign, and there's our campaign we just created that's going to run on the 25th, and it's going to do account creation and then just run the indexer against those accounts. So there you go, that's how you can build a sub campaign and use the wizard at the same time. Hope that's helpful. See you in the next video.